Hello everybody! Welcome to Class in the Cloud, Phonics with Teacher Simmy. Did you know there are 26 letters in the alphabet? Let's learn about one now. Here comes A. A is the first letter in the alphabet. A is a vowel. Let's learn the letter A sound. A goes a. Now you. This is a capital A. This is a lowercase a. Let's learn to write capital A. A. Let's learn to write lowercase a. A. Let's learn some words. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for ant. Ant. A is for apple. Apple. Let's read a story. Can you find all the A words? An alligator and an ant sat at the dam eating apples. Now you. Let's recap what we learned. Say the words. Alligator. Ant. Apples. An alligator and an ant sat at the dam eating apples.
Well done, everyone. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. This is Class in the Cloud. I am Teacher Simmy. Goodbye.